Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can download a dummy bank statement. Here is a bank statement in PDF format. I have downloaded it from a website. It is uneditable. If you need this dummy statement, I will provide a link in the description of the video. You can download it later. Simply type dummy bank statement PDF download in Google. Variance link appeared on your desktop. Click the second link where the PDF is mentioned. A PDF format is opened. Since the PDF format is uneditable, I will convert it into MS Word. For this, open Google, type PDF to Word. Click on the first link, I love PDF. Now select the file in the PDF format. Choose the file. It will take some time to upload and click convert to Word. Automatically Word format docs or the Word format will be downloaded. Now open the docs file. You can now edit this statement. You can change the opening balance, the closing balance, increase it. Similarly, you can change the individual transaction, any other changes you want to make particularly. To save again in PDF format, click Save As. A dialog box will appear in front of you. Select Save As Type in PDF. Also change the name if you need to and click OK. The file is now in PDF format. We have made changes and it is now again in PDF format, and it is now also uneditable. So this is how you can create or make changes in a bank statement.